Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I turned this fitted bodycon dress into this cute bodysuit. And this is a very simple and easy and quick tutorial, so let's hop right into it. So the first thing I do is I have the bodycon dress laid out, and then I have a bodysuit that I already own. So I'm going to use that as my template and basically cut around it to be the same exact shape. And if you don't have a bodysuit already, you can get like a tank top and underwear and kind of do it like that. You can use a swimsuit as a template and just whatever you think will help make a bodysuit. So as you can see here, I'm basically, like I mentioned before, it's just cutting around the bodysuit while it is laid on the bodycon dress or fitted dress. And also, if you don't even have the other items mentioned to make a bodysuit, you can always use like a top and maybe like some really fitted shorts and kind of make one of those type of like bodysuits that kind of look like shorts, if that makes sense. So you can do all kinds of stuff with bodysuits. You can make long pants bodysuits, the leotard shaped bodysuits like the one that I'm doing here, and all kinds of stuff when you have clothes that you can kind of duplicate, clone, and stuff like that. So I have it all cut out. So here is what it is looking like now. But what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to flip it wrong side out. And I'm going to kind of, as you can see here, have it on the side seam. And I'm going to hem it, fold it, and pin it. So that's going to be kind of doing our hem. I prefer to do a double hem, but I just folded it once. But this material was like really kind of thin, so I just did it once, but I prefer you to fold it over at least twice and hem it that way. So I'm going to do that, of course, and just pin it. So here is what it looks like when I fold and pin it. And so I'm going to take it to my sewing machine, and I did a zigzag stitch. Y'all do not mind my nails. I just recently painted them and now they're already chipping. Once I hemmed that portion of the bodysuit, here is what it is looking like. Now the only thing we have to do is just sew the crotch area together, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna take it to my serger and I'm going to serge that crotch area together. You can, if you don't have a serger, you can take it to your sewing machine and do a straight stitch or a zigzag stitch, or you can serge it. I decided to serge it so that it can have a nice finish to that portion, so since it'll be more tension. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So here is what the bodysuit is looking like, and I just have it sitting next to the bodysuit that I already own. I believe I got that bodysuit from Five Below, actually, I don't know, but I set it side by side to do a comparison of what it looks like when you kind of clone clothes that you already have. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This was a super easy and simple tutorial. It probably only took like 10 minutes to do, but here's the transformation of the bodycon dress into the bodysuit, and then I will show you all what it looks like with jeans on. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, press the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I have any other new uploads and sewing tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.